Hey, I'm Rachel Kugel. I'm the owner and founder of the Kugel Law Firm, where we focus on DWI defense. We don't judge you, we don't lecture you, we defend you. And I'm here today answering some frequently asked questions that I get about New Jersey DWI defense. So let's jump right in. Will my license be suspended if I'm convicted of a New Jersey DUI or New Jersey DWI? The answer is it depends. So prior to December of 2019, all New Jersey DWIs had a hardcore suspension attached to them. And that meant that if you were convicted even of a first offense 0.08, bottom of the barrel DWI in New Jersey, you would suffer a hard and fast suspension with no conditional license, no hardship privilege. That law has changed. And as of December of 2019, if it's a first offense DWI and a reading of less than 0.15 or no reading at all, then an individual can drive as long as they install an ignition interlock device, even if they're convicted. The period of time they have to have that device can vary based on other factors in the case. But suffice it to say that if it's a first offense under 0.15, an individual can drive for the most part. There are exceptions. One exception would be the potential if the basis for the DWI was drugs and not alcohol, the person can face a suspension even on a first offense. On a second offense DWI, you will lose your license for 1 to 2 years. And on a third offense DWI, you will lose your license for 8 years. So the answer is how long you'll lose your license for, whether you'll lose your license at all, really depends on those factors. What level of offense is it? And what is the basis for the underlying DWI charge? Is it drugs? Is it alcohol or what? So obviously in New Jersey, license suspension is a really serious thing because people need to drive to get around in New Jersey. People need to work and support their families. So this is an important question, and I urge you to seek out legal advice, whether it's me or someone else, to go over those factors in your case, determine your personal exposure so that you can understand what you're facing and what that might mean for your driver's license privileges potentially, and also how you might reduce or minimize or even save your ability to drive in New Jersey. We're happy to talk to you about that anytime, and I hope this answers your questions.